Whether you're starving for food or you're starving for self worth, you're always going to grab whatever is easiest. Think about it. When you haven't eaten in 2 days, how likely are you to spend an hour cooking a healthy meal versus running to your local fast food burger joint and eating a seed oil, greasy burger and fries? Whether you're starving for food or you're starving for self worth or self respect, the same applies. You'll always grab whatever is easiest to satiate your starvation. Saying yes to a customer's request to show up after business hours, let's just say, is the easiest way to ease yourself of the discomfort of facing whether or not you're going to self respect and say no versus yes. If you say yes, it just immediately makes you feel comfortable in the situation because you no longer have to deal with that conflict. By living in alignment with your self respect, your self worth, and self love first, even in your business, by saying no to a customer who is constantly trying to get you to discount their prices, even when you're worried about paying the bills, builds strength. It builds resilience. It forces you to get resourceful, maybe even creative in ways that you can drum up new business with good customers who respect you. And this kind of energy is always going to reward you and your business tenfold. Maybe not as quickly as you like. You have to remember when you're working on these things, when you're doing all of the tools I discussed in the previous episode, journaling, meditating, going out in nature, and then you start working on forgiveness and self respect and self worth and not carrying everyone else's load, it's going to have this like leg time, okay? It's not like the universe immediately turns around and goes, "Oh, okay, you've changed. Here we go. We're going to change your circumstances overnight." It doesn't work that way. It takes time. So don't give up. Keep putting it in, keep putting the work in, and you're going to start to see that it changes everything in small ways that start to build up. And you're going to get more confidence to say no when you want to say no, to put your foot down and hold the line when you need to hold the line. And you're going to start to see the rewards that come in from it, the new customer that comes as soon as you fire the other one. It's amazing how it works, but don't expect it to happen overnight and just think, oh, this isn't working, and throw up your hands and give up. This is really a test to see how true and resilient you can be. And the more you show up, the more reward you're going to see.